That's good. 350 or better. Okay. Green, green. Roll. Keep her on center line. And when you depart her, you take her off. Go ahead and keep the airspeed just below 80 until we're through 600 feet clear of those trees.
Okay, so airspeed's alive.
Okay, just let her haul. Okay, wait. Okay, now pull. Good. And hold her just about there. Just hold her right there. Stay on course. Stay on course. Wait till you get through 600 feet. Okay, now relax your back pressure just a little. Let the airspeed come up to 85. That's it. Stay on course. Come left a little bit. That's it. There you go. Okay. Now, trim her if you need to for 85 going up, and we'll level out at 1,500 feet. Just stay on this heading.
Okay.
Washington Center, November 8870, November, climbing through 4,400, KPOU, final. Roger, you wouldn't happen to know Washington Center freak, would you? Potomac approach, would it be 132.850?
Okay, go ahead and come to a heading of about 060. Airport's directly off your nose. And we'll level out here in a few moments.
Okay.
And then we'll change the radios over and start the procedure for landing.
Yes, is it with, is it the two white buildings up there?
Yeah, there's a cluster of white buildings
Okay.
up there. To the right of that high ridge line with the antenna on it.
And for radios, how far out before you like switch them to the next airport when you're traveling?
At least 10 miles out. And we're 5 now. Okay, you're a little past level out, so let's level out and get to 1,500. Okay, bring your power down some. About 2,300. Good. Okay, once you're stable here, just go ahead and switch your bottom and top radio. Good. Good. Okay. Flip in the weather. Orange traffic says the 7912 uniforms inbound from the southwest, 1,700. Going to pick up left downwind for 26 and landing, full stop, orange. Okay, there's the runway. To the right of the runway toward the other end is that grass, that strip, that brown strip over there.
Okay.
Okay, then you've got the lake over here at about almost 2 o'clock, so turn right now to a heading of 080. You're in the downwind.
Harper County Skylane, 3 kilometers, 10 miles to the east for left crosswind and runway 80.
Go ahead and come down to 1,500. Power setting is okay. Orange traffic says the 7912 uniform, downwind, 26, full stop, orange. Okay, so out here we need, before we get busy, we need to do our pre-landing checks, which is what, fuel on both?
Fuel's on both.
Mixture rich.
Mixture's full rich.
Okay. Alright, just hold your 080 heading. The weather radio doesn't do good this side of the airport. It does better on the other side, so we'll come in a minute. Keep working your way down to 1,500 feet. Stay on 080. And we want to be over the wood line to the right of the dump area there.
Okay.
For this downwind lineup, and generally parallel to the runway over there. Once you get to the old white buildings on this side, the T-hangars and that little white building,
yes,
that's where you put your carb heat on.
Okay.
And then we'll reduce power when we get to the 2.6 and the stripes, and put in 20 degrees of flaps and pitch for 80 miles per hour. Looking good, looking good. But once those white buildings come behind the strut, then turn your carb heat on.
All right.
We're clear of the tower down here on the lake. That's good.
Carb heat's on.
Airport.
All right.
Weather observation. 143 Zulu. Weather. Wind 360 at
Numbers
4.
and stripes are behind the strut. Reduce power to 1700.
Skyline 3 kilometers, 6 miles to the east for left crosswind, runway 1.
Verify your airspeeds in the white arc.
Yes.
984.
Flaps 10, then flaps 20.
Density altitude 1,700.
Good.
20.
And adjust your airspeed with pressure.
County Airport.
And trim if you need to hold 80 miles per hour.
7 Zulu. Weather.
Look to your left. You see that road just forward of the strut?
Yes.
The blue silos?
Yes.
This is where we turn for base.
2,000. Temperature
Go ahead, turn left for
4
base.
Celsius. Dew point
your airspeed at 80.
0. Altimeter 2984. Remarks.
You notice that came in just as we got this side, this half of the airport.
Rutherford County, Challenger 7.
And go ahead and fly 350 in here, basically toward that square patch of forest over there on the ridgeline.
Okay.
A little slow, push with pressure. And every time you put 20 degrees of flaps in, you put drag on the prop, so make sure you reset your power to 1700 because it will go down once you put the 20 degrees of flaps in. Okay, there's your runway. Our midpoint, mid-base should be 1,000 feet plus or minus 100, which is good. Okay. Doing good. All right, start a slow turn to final. Easy, don't overbank. Okay, your red light says you're low. You're in the, somewhere in the approach slope because we don't have the left white one. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now put in 30 degrees of flaps. Yep, that's good. Okay. Now bring your power out a little bit. See that light turn white?
Yes.
So that means you went up above the approach slope. Okay, about 1,500, let her settle. Just keep flying toward that dotted line. That's it. That's it. Work your way back to the right a little bit. Wind is negligible. Okay, bring your power down another couple hundred. Oh, that's good. Back. Okay. That's it. Now, transition your eyes to the other end of the runway. Put back pressure in and fly the plane level. Put back pressure in, back. Just hold her level and hold off the landing. Hold off the landing. There you go. You're landed. Okay, now move your feet up onto the rudder brakes. Start pulling back and applying gentle braking. Just slow. All the way to you. Pull it to the stop for aerodynamic braking. All the way back. Once you're at a taxi pace, then pick up your first available turn-off line, the yellow line, and then turn off and come over here.
Okay.
When we come off, I want you to pull straight ahead because we're going to go to fuel first. Good landing.
Thank you.
All right, so we'll pull just on the other side of the hold short line, facing the tanks. We'll stop, call clear, and then clean up the aircraft, and then we'll go over to fuel. That's good.
It's right here.
Yep. Okay, go ahead and make a call clear of runway 26 call.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, clear runway 26, orange.
Very good. Okay, now find your after landing checklist. Green stuff there.
Flaps up. And carb heat off. Trim set the takeoff.
And go down to your taxi light. Good. All right. Straight ahead. You can open your window if you like. Once we get to the corner of the grass there, we're going to offset right and drive the aircraft toward the right-hand tank with the silver box, centered on the center bollard. Okay, offset right. Good, just keep coming over, keep coming over, keep coming over. Okay, now back to the left a little. And straight toward that center bollard, stainless steel bollard right there. Okay, a little more to the right. All right, back to the left. Okay, real slow. Come on in. Keep coming.
I'll keep going, okay.
Real slow. A little more on left rudder. That's it. A little bit further, a little bit further, a little bit further, further. All right, that's good. We'll pull it up the rest of the way. Hold your brakes.
Brakes are set.
Okay, go ahead and do your shutdown procedures now.
Shutdown. All right, brakes are set.
Yep.
avionics off.